Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable comments on Instagram Live. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, swipe left or right to locate the live option. Once you find the live option, tap on the stream icon. It will take a few seconds to start a broadcast on your internet connection. And you will go live on Instagram. You will see the three dots in the comments section. Tap on it. Now, from the pop-up menu, tap on Turn Off Commenting. And you will disable comments on Instagram Live. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to disable comments on Instagram Live. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.